Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. I've been asked this question, so I figured, I may as well just let you guys know what goes on. Road testing a car. Customers ask, oh, why do you got to road test a car? Well, you bring a car in for a drivability issue or a brake issue or any kind of issue like that where you have to actually be physically moving in your car. I'm going to have to drive it. I want to feel what it's doing. Also, I want to know what issues the car might have before I start working on it. I want to know, hey, does it have a vibration because you got bad tires? Does it have, a light that comes on while driving that you're not telling me about? And then I go and fix something and you say, oh, that light's coming on. It was never coming on before. So I want to try to avoid stuff like that. So I usually go for about a 6-mile ride just to feel the car out. You'd be amazed at how many people will bring a car in for a drivability issue and the car will be on fumes with distance to empty being 0. How am I going to test drive your car at 55 miles an hour for 25 minutes to experience a problem if there's no fuel in it? People expect me to put gas in their car. Well, guess what? If I'm putting gas in your car, I'm charging you for it, and I'm charging you for my time. Put gas in your car. Don't fill it up. At least have like an 1/8 of a tank, something. Anyway, so what I do is, I want to feel the car. I want to feel, does it have vibrations? I want to feel, does the pedal pulsate? How does the brake pedal feel? How does the car accelerate? What are the gauges reading while I'm driving? Stuff like that. How are the RPMs? At what speed does it vibrate? Just all sorts of little different things. Does the cruise control work? That's another one. I've had issues with that. Does the airbag light come on? Does the traction control light come on? Anything like that. I never play with the radio. I never touch the radio. I leave it the way it is. The only thing I'll actually do is turn the volume down. I usually won't even turn it off. I actually have had people complain, I'm 6'2", and I'll have people that come in that are like 4'5", and they complain, oh, you had to move my seat. Well, yeah, no kidding, I had to move your seat. What do you think? I'm going to wedge myself in there? And then they put the tilt wheel as far down to the seat. It's like I don't even know how in the world you get in and out of the car. Well, whatever. So yeah, that's the whole idea behind a road test. If you're going to road test a car, put your phone down, turn the radio off, listen to the car. And as a matter of fact, I tell customers that too. Turn your radio off every once in a while. Listen to your car. What's your car doing? What's your car sound like? I've gotten in cars before with wheel bearings falling out and growling away, and they don't hear it because they got the radio on. They never turn the radio off. Turn it off every once in a while. So, but anyway, I'm just here doing this road test. I want to see what the car feels like. I just did a major service to this. I did drive the car before. I actually drove the customer home. And, I got to feel the car for a good, actually almost 40 minutes. It was 20 minutes to our house and 20 minutes back. So I got to feel the car. Car felt fine. I just drained and refilled the cooling system. I did an oil change, tire rotation, checked the brakes, stuff like that. It's going to need brakes, but not yet. Probably at next oil change. So we're just going to leave that alone. I changed the cabin air filter and the regular air filter, and that's about it. But anyway, so I hope you get something out of my videos. If you do, hit the like button. Please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And other than that, keep wrenching and have a great day.